And just like that, I'm back here again. Yes, I'm gonna attempt this a few more times because I know I can do this. I know I can do this like in another 100 attempts. This is gonna be a stream of just practice, really. I don't expect to defeat him. I'm just gonna keep studying the strategy. That's what I'm gonna do. That's how I'm gonna roll. All right. So I don't expect this to be very successful, but I'm very confident I'm gonna learn a lot from the strategy. Let's see how long it will take me before I rage quit. I'm gonna tweet out the stream real quick. Wow, it's so dark. Why is it so dark? It feels very dark. I don't know if... It looks so different. I don't know. Is it me? Is it just me or is it dark? I'm gonna check it real quick. Hello, Cassidy. You are first. Nice to see you. I'm gonna check quickly the settings of my Elgato. I don't know if it lost settings or anything, but it looks different than last night. I don't know. I was playing in different lighting, not lightning. I'm gonna check real quick to see if... No, everything's default. How weird. It looks very different. The coloring looks very different. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just my impression. Hey, Joe Peterson, welcome. I'm gonna put the events on real quick. Hold on. Boop. There they are. Alright, I'm gonna tweet the stream out real quick before I continue. Be right back. Stream has been tweeted. Came, yo, drop a like, man, I'm at work. Ah, thank you so much, Dada. Thank you so much. You're the boss. Alright. Something's lighting up over there. Is that my phone? Oh, it's my tablet. Hold on. I didn't realize I put the tablet over there. Oh, I saw some light. Okay. Let's do this. So, when is the Hoenn Starter giveaway happening? It's happening, but I don't have a date. No date. No date. I have no date. It's me, Mario. Hey, Veronica. Welcome. Alright, this is gonna be a stream full of fail, alright? I know, but I'm gonna practice a lot. I'm gonna practice... Oh, hold on. There you go. My first fail. I forgot to grab the healing items from the chest. But yes, I'm gonna... I'm gonna keep slicing Birkin until... Hello, Philly. Mr. Philly. So yeah, let's see how this is gonna go. Thank you for the retweet, Veronica. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. So let's see how this is gonna go. Hey, Vegano, welcome. So yeah, I made it this far, knife only, last night. And this is where I got stuck. And I'm gonna practice, really. I don't expect myself to do this, but we'll see. We shall see. I finally get your... Yeah, dummy. The thing, I stream during the night. Which is a weird time. I mean, even people locally, they tell me, why do you stream at 2 a.m. or 1 a.m.? Like, what's the deal with that? We can't even watch you locally. But I have weird sleeping hours. So yeah, but now, I mean, right now it's like 4 in the afternoon. Time zone sucks. It's 4 in the afternoon, and I happen to be free right now. And I feel like practicing this. Yeah, so this is gonna be a lot of fail. A lot of fail. But I learned so much yesterday. I think I can do this.
Ada, can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it.
Let's go. I regret not starting this on my GameCube emulator because I would have been able to perform my few save states. So each time I die, I have to do this over and over again. But whatever. I got a good feeling about this. Let's see. I mean, good feeling, but my favorite music isn't coming. Oh, let's reverse. 7:05 a.m. for you. Nice. In the future. Come get it, sucker. Ah, man, you see, the strategy is to run away. The lighting is definitely different. No! Ah. Oh my goodness, that has a very good range. No, don't you dare use it. No, I have to study his... Ah! Let's try again. Ah, he doesn't auto-aim. I hate it. It doesn't work. Ah, son of a biscuit. You see, he doesn't auto-aim. Please, auto-aim. And rip. Alright, that's fine. 43 times. It's 46 times, actually. If only it was 43. Man. Well, unless you're right. Maybe somebody miscounted. I don't know. Did you turn on? Yes, it's on. It's on. It just doesn't always work. Make it to C. What's C? Yeah, it is. It is. The auto aim is on. But it doesn't always work. It doesn't always work. I don't know what it is. That's fine. That is fine. So that's the first fail. I should have set a clicker ticker that marks the many times I failed. It's fine. I don't expect to win it, to defeat him in this stream, honestly. It's just practice. Oh, I just want to prove it to Veronica that it is on auto aim. Hold on. You see, it's C. But it doesn't always work. It doesn't always work. 43 for you. Wait a minute, 43 for you. Did you ever do this, Veronica? Seriously? No. No. Maybe it is 43. Maybe they miscounted because McKnight was watching the video yesterday and he told me that it was 43. I never counted them myself. Amy! I'm doing an insanity session. One of yours. I'm calling this an Amy. Because Amy beat The Last of Us on grounded mode without using any weapons. No, without using any guns. Without using any guns. So I'm trying to do the same, more or less. The difficulty is normal.
Ada!
And this is as far as I got with the knife.
Come on, snap out of it!
And I challenge you, Amy, to do this one with the knife only. Or normal. It's not easy. And Amy. I know, right? I'm not gonna rage because I'm expecting myself to die. Unless it's like very cheap deaths. I need to hit him 43 times according to Veronica. Let's call it 43. No! Ah, already. I'm gonna move this way because the control panel gets in the way over there, so I'm gonna come here. Oh, come on, I can't hit him once. Come on, this way. Yeah! He doesn't always turn. Oh. Oh, seriously? Wow, I didn't even get... Alright, no, it's 43 then, I believe you. 43. I didn't even get started this time. Because I always try new things, and I tried something else. I'm gonna give up on the whole giving him a knifing when he lands because it's not working. So that's fine. It is possible, apparently. Yeah. Seriously, Veronica, you did it? Wow, that's... I have a whole new level of respect for you, Veronica. Doing this is impossible. I mean, it's not impossible, but... I wish I had save states because otherwise I wouldn't have to go through all this every single time. And why am I carrying the key? I just realized. Why am I still carrying this key? Stupid, stupid. And I don't have enough healing items, I think. Or maybe I do, I don't know. Super gratitude at the stream as well. Thank you so much. If you're listening, if you're lurking. You can skip cutscenes on it. I know. It's my favorite version. That's what I usually stream it on. I don't know what I was thinking when I decided to stream it from the PS3. I don't know what I was thinking.
Ada!
I should have done that from the
Ada!
GameCube, because I would have been able to save state,
on,
skip the
snap out of
cutscenes and all that. And I would have switched to easy. Just doing this on normal. My first attempt. Not good. Not good. Come on, you can do this, buddy. I'm gonna give up on the whole knifing him the moment he lands because it's not gonna work. Come get this. So. Ah! Alright, this way. It's not easy, but I'm gonna do this. Alright, get over here. Get over here! I didn't turn, you see? Ah, come on! Oh man, that's such a good range. I'm not even getting started. Come on, turn! I wish I had. He's not turning properly. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Whoop! Ah, not towards him. Back to danger. Damn it. That's okay. Hey V4, expect to rip a lot in the chat. I wish I could count them, but I don't have the concentration to count and strategize at the same time. Turn your auto aim on, damn it. It is on, Veronica! It is on! It's not working! It doesn't work. It doesn't always work for some reason. How are you, V4? Nice to see you. Remember, attack him after he tried to slash you and keep your distance, don't get too far. That's my problem, you see. Either I make a run for it and I'm too far to do the slash. Or I don't run far enough and ugh! I did show you, Veronica. I did show you already, but you weren't here then. I did show you. But I'll show you again, because you don't believe me. I did show you already. go. I know it's hard to believe that it's... I know it's hard to believe that it's on because... Because he doesn't always turn properly. Let's do this. I'm far from 43 hits. Keep the aim on, don't release the button. Seriously? Guess he eats pistachios.
Come on, snap out of it.
I've just put my first slow cooker curry in the slow cooker. I want it now. I want it all. I want it all. I want it all. And I want it now. I'm sorry about that comment. Made me sing that song. So, fall back when Birkin tries to attack. Yeah, but he does it fast. It's easy to say when you panic and stuff. So, fall back when Birkin tries to attack you. But he has a very good range. Let's try something. Alright, let's bring him this way. And now this way. No. I didn't think he was. No, that one was stupid. That's fine. That's why I'm calling it practice. That's why the stream is called practice. But the thing is, my knife doesn't reach that far.
Resident Evil 2.
I wonder if it's easier on the GameCube version. I don't know. I wish I could blast him with the rocket launcher, but I will lose the pride. You can do it, V. I don't even believe I can do it myself. I don't think I can. But I'm gonna keep practicing. 43 hits is a lot.
Ada, can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it.
I need to dodge a few hits. I would love to count them, but I can't concentrate counting and to see how far I'm getting. Eats a sandwich. You can do it, Vloggy. Philly, 1,500, and I do actually stream. 1,500 subs. What if I just stand there and start hitting? Already! Wow, twice! Son of a biscuit already hit me twice. I'm just gonna stand there, hold on. We're good. No, 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 get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up! What are you doing, sleeping? I should have dodged that. I should dodge those. Those are easy to dodge. I dropped the controller. That wasn't rage controller throwing. How many hits did I do? I feel like I did a lot. Nowhere near 43 though, huh? What's your favorite snacking food? Favorite snacking food. Right now, it's peanuts and almonds. Right now, because of my diet. Oh, I dropped my controller and it went off. Okay.
Resident Evil 2.
The True Nightfall retweeted my tweet. Thank you so much, True. Well, you should grind some herbs. How? From where? From where? From where? I wish. I think I took all the herbs from everywhere. Those are the only herbs I have. There aren't any more. I drained all the herbs in the game. Let's see. Sometimes I feel like standing there and slicing. Take damage, keep slicing. I feel like I can do it like that, as long as I avoid those attacks when he opens his arms wide. I should make a run when he does that. Null herbs. Let's see. Null herbage.
Ada, can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it.
Wow. I can avoid that attack. Oh, I can avoid that attack. I was doing so well. I was doing very well. Birkin. Birkin. You have an awesome name. Nice to see you. Try again. Do you know there's a new PokeRap version with all the 802 Pokemons? Is there really? Do you want me to sing that too? I'm not gonna sing that. It's not a Pokemon stream, so not today. Alright. Right now, Birkin is my nightmare. Trying to get rid of Birkin with a knife. I did really well earlier. I'm gonna keep trying that strategy because it feels like I can do it like that. We'll see. If only I had one more herbage, would have been better. Sing it later. Nope. N-O-P-E. Nope.
Ada! Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
And the reason why I wanted to stream my practice, because what if I do defeat him? You know, I'll have no proof! I'm not hitting him. Ah, he got me. There's no quick turn. And now I'm endangered. Oh! Oh, I couldn't get out of the way. Stupid, 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 stupid.
Resident Evil 2.
One of these days I'm gonna catch him off guard and I'm gonna do it. Oh, come on. My phone hasn't stopped vibrating. I'm gonna check what it is. Be right back.
Ada!
Okay.
Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
Snap out of it! I'm gonna try something else actually, hold on. I don't know, we'll see. Can I get out of the way? Oh! There's not enough room. Look, the auto aim doesn't turn. It's not turning. He's not turning. He's not turning. You see the auto aim. Damn it. I'm shaking right now. It's like the controls, the game is not on my side, huh? I kid you not. Did you guys see that? It wouldn't turn. The auto aim wouldn't turn. He was right behind me.
Resident Evil 2.
I'm gonna keep trying. I don't care if it takes an hour, 5 hours. Game is rigged. It feels like it, huh? It feels like it's like the game kind of favors Birkin. To be honest with you, the first fight with Birkin, it felt like it favored me. To be honest with you, huh? It felt like the game was on my side because he kept missing hits, and even if he did land the hit, the pipe he was swinging kept bouncing off the walls, like you know, getting the recoil thing. So yeah. And even before he hit me, like, he would raise his arm up in the air. Takes a while. Shaking. Yes, I get really nervous and I start shaking with anxiety and with panic. That's true. Poor Vloggy.
Ada, can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it.
I have a tendency, I don't know if it makes any difference, maybe Veronica's still here, and since she's done it before. I have a tendency of aiming down. I have a tendency of aiming down when I hit. I don't know if it makes any difference when I hit William. I have a tendency of doing this. Hold on. This. I go downwards. I don't know if I can do this or that. I don't know if it makes any difference when I hit William. I don't know. Hello. Come get it. Damn it. How many hits am I getting? I wish I could count. I wish I could count. I can't count. But I can't count when I'm playing. It's just impossible. I think I'd better not count actually, because the closer I get to 43, the more I start panicking. It's better if he surprises me and he just falls and dies.
Resident Evil 2.
Shall I grab this? Shall I grab this? I'm kidding.
Ada! Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
But I can't help not stress out. It's who I am. If I can get the kill, it would be fantastic. The problem with this monster is that sometimes he swipes to the front, but even if I'm backwards, I'm behind him, he still hits me, and that's so cheap. You see? Oh! Oh! That was good. No. Ah! Come on. My stupid knife doesn't... Still good. God dang it, you got the hit! I'm gonna make a run for it. Oh, come on, seriously! If only there was a strategy like... Oh my goodness, not good. No, no! Damn it! It is hard. It is, no, Emma. It's really hard. It's very hard. But that's the challenge. That's the challenge. I mastered this game. The only thing left for me to play in this game is the nightmare mode, which I don't have access to. I would love to try it one day. And the randomizer. There's a randomizer feature on the Nintendo 64 version, which places items in different locations, you know, just for fun. But I don't have access to that either, so this is the next best thing. Finishing the game on knife only. I made it this far. This is as far as I managed to get, but that monster is giving me such a hard time. Hello, Glenny. Welcome. It is a fantastic game. It's one of my favorite games of all time. And I stream this a lot. I always try to find ways to challenge myself when I play this game. It's my thing. Last time I streamed this game, for every damage that I got, or every time I got damaged by a zombie, monster, whatever, I took a shot of vodka. So it makes it harder for me to play the game, you know, the more hits I take. And by the end of the game I took 19 shots. That's a lot. And once I hit 1,500 subscribers, I'm gonna play this game again, and each time I get hit, I'm gonna eat a chili pepper. With face cam on, obviously.
Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it.
Make a phone call. Hold on. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. Just got a text. I need to make a phone call. Come get it. Come get it. I feel like this way is much better because the area is bigger. Feels like it's bigger at least. Come on. Nope, not good. Let's get this over with. We're still good. No. Come on. No, no. Come on. Ah, he hit me. Ah, crap, I'm on danger already. Nope. If you want, I can DM you my video on this part about the knife only. I would love to see that. Do you have my Discord, Veronica? I don't think you're on my Discord, are you? Do you have Discord? You can post it on my Discord if you like. I'm gonna put up my Discord. If somebody in chat, hold on. Discord. Really? Oh yeah. Hold on. My laptop is the application, not the web version. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? That's my Discord if anybody wants to join. Anyone can join. But in the meantime, I'm gonna put the phone down real quick. Put the phone down, the headset down real quick because I need to make a phone call. Hold on. Hold on, I'm sending a text because I need to make a phone call real quick. Okay.
Ada! Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
Alright, I might abruptly pause the game and answer my phone real quick. So, just so you know. Can you imagine if I'm getting the kill and the phone rings? Let's go. Feels like I'm getting better at dodging him though. No! Good. This way, sucker. This way, buddy. Okay, there we go. Be right back. Be right back, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Oh, sorry about that. But I really had to take that phone call. It was very, very important. So, so I was the one lurking. My controller's still active. Let's go. Come on, sucker! Come get it! Come on, man! And no, I wasn't looking at a strategy guide or something like that. No, no, no! I was actually on the phone. I wasn't doing a strategy guide or something. Oh, well, you know how to aim! Run, Forrest, run! Come on. Ah, you see how far he hits? Sometimes you get stuck against the wall. No, 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 not good. I can take another hit. I need to make a run for it. No! Okay, we're good. We're still good. He did not aim! Can we do this? I'm locked! Come on! Come on! You biscuit! Uh-oh, danger! Yes, I just didn't dodge that last one on purpose because I was on danger anyway, so might as well. It would have been... Okay. 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 Okay, shh. I know you're lurking. You know who you are. Alright, so... and thank you for the retweet. Alright, let's try again. I feel like I'm getting better at this, though. I don't know, maybe it's just my impression, but it feels like I'm getting this. Let's go. I can do this. I can do this. Hey Samuka, welcome to the stream. Yes, knife only. This is as far as I managed to get so far. This is as far as I managed to get. I'm having a hard time with William though. I keep trying and retrying and I feel like I'm getting better and getting a hang of it, but I feel like I'm still a long way from 43 hits. We shall see. We shall see. I'm gonna try counting them, I don't know. Still kind of sleeping. But I just woke up. I cannot wake up that early. Come on, sucker. Somebody just subscribed! Thank you so much, Samuka! Thank you so much! Nice. Okay, I dodged that. Maybe I should go just for one slice. Maybe just one slice every single time. Nope. Sometimes I... Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That auto-aim, that failing auto-aim. No, 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 no! No, 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 no! He's not auto-aiming. I feel like I got the hang of it though. I'm getting the hang of it. Nice. No! No. Okay. So you did it as well, Samuka. Wow. Wow, you did it as well. I'm getting so many people in chat that have done this before. That's impressive. That's very impressive. And I bow down to you.
Resident Evil.
This is on normal mode though, huh? This is normal mode. So this is my first attempt. My first attempt, knife only on normal mode. So, yeah. And to be honest with you, this is the second scenario. I avoided the croc. I avoided the croc. I'm not a morning person, huh? I am not a morning person. Nope. And this is all the healing items I have. If I had 2 more healing items, I would probably do better. I don't know. But 43 hits is not a joke, huh? I wish I could count them, but I keep getting distracted. I feel like I've mastered this game. I mean, like, I know this. I could probably attempt to play this game blindfolded, probably. I should probably try it one day. Play the game blindfolded.
Ada! Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
So yeah, for every subscriber that I gain, I am one step closer to playing this game and with face cam on, eating chilies each time I get damaged. Obviously not a knife only run. Duh. I feel like I had to say that. Come on. Come on, sucker. If I come this way and then turn around. No. No, 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 no. I have a bigger area here. Come over here, my friend. Come over here. And let's do this. Let's play our game. Oh, seriously? Oh no, he's gonna do the thing already. Ah! This way. Oh man. No, no! My goodness! Oh, come on, I can't see what's going on. Sometimes. It is insanely difficult, but yeah, I mean, it's time for a new challenge. I've played this game many times now. So, come on! You see how wide of a range he has. Oh no. Ah! Getting angry now. You wouldn't like me when I'm angry! Did he just teleport right in front of him? It feels like he did. I don't know. If you can rewatch it. Look, buddy, if I said if you try to finish the game only with the knife on hard PC and Dreamcast exclusive difficulties, exactly, can be a good challenge. No, I don't. First of all, I don't have access to hard. I've never played hard in my life ever. I would love to play that, but I don't have a Dreamcast and I don't have a PC version either. I tried to install it on the PC, but it just won't run well on Windows 10. I tried. I really tried. I would love to try that because I mastered this game. I'm always looking for new challenges to play RE2. Yeah, I want to get the PC version. It looks... And I want to get the... What's it called? There's a version of the PC, I forgot what it's called. Source Next. The Source Next version. I want to get that. But it doesn't run well on my laptop because it's Windows 10. I mean, my laptop is a laptop gaming laptop, but I don't know. And even if it did run properly, I need to stream it. There's no point in me running a game if it doesn't stream. Hey, Raven! Nice to see you. I love your avatar. Yes, I knew you were, Raven. I saw your tweet. I saw your tweet. And thank you for the retweet. Exactly, I know, Samuka, I know. I read about it and I've seen Let's Plays. I would love to try it. I really want to try it. But I don't have access to it. I want to get the Dreamcast version. I'm trying to get it to run on an emulator, but I've been spending hours trying to get the emulator to run, but it's not working either. I may have to get a Dreamcast. Sometimes I feel stupid, like buying a console just for one game, and that would be it, really. Come on, come get it. What if? Oh, come on, you garbage! No. You see, I'm stuck! No. I already got damaged. Stupid. I can't see a thing! I can't see a thing! What's going on? Where's everybody? Ah, the stupid attack. Uh-oh, danger again. Danger! Ah, I get stuck over there! Oh. Oh man, I keep getting stuck over there. You know what? I'm gonna make a run for it. I don't care. Can't see a thing, but oh, how cheap! How cheap! Not even auto aim is working properly. Auto aim's not even working properly. There we go. Done. Did you make the thumbnail? Thank you. Yes, I did. You like it? Yeah. I mean, I didn't work on the art. The art I got from Biohazard Clan Master. But yeah, I did the thumbnail. Not wanting to pronounce, yeah, but I did upload 3 Biohazard PC variant Omega with absolutely everything necessary for the games to work perfectly. Seriously, Samuka, do you have Discord? Maybe you can link it there for me. Perhaps you can send it there. You seem to be very savvy on Resident Evil, Samuka. I like that. If you have Discord, maybe you can post it there. Hang on, you said upload 3 Biohazard. Hold on. Absolutely. Oh, so it's on your channel then. Then I'll check out your channel, it's fine. No, that's fine, Ashley. Don't worry. That's fine, Ashley. Don't worry about it. That's fine. And nice to see you, Ashley, by the way. Hold on a second. If anybody wants to join my Discord, I'm gonna paste the link again. I should get a Nightbot command or something. There it is. The links are in the description. Alright, thank you. Thank you so much, Samuka. I'll check them out. Thank you. I must do this. I must do this! Can I trade the blue herbs for... I feel like I've got the strategy like going around him. That's alright, no problem. I feel like I got the strategy right, going around and around and around. And I think I'm going to limit myself to one slice. I'm going to call it a slice. One slice each time. I don't want to get carried away with slicing him twice and 3 times. I'm just not... I don't know, maybe... Let's see.
Ada, can you hear me?
You must
Come
move,
on,
like you
snap
must.
out of it.
Raven. Did you stream RE7 yesterday, Raven? I couldn't make it. I saw your tweet that you might stream it later, but I had to go to bed. Last time I streamed RE7, I accomplished getting all the... What are they called? The Mr. Everywhere heads. I got those, and I played it in Italian, just for fun. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. I don't know, I'm more confident fighting him in this area because... I'm more confident fighting him in this area because... you see, there's more space. I feel like there is more space! Oh no, that was not good. That was not a good start. Ah, the auto aim is not working! Or maybe 2 slices, perhaps, I don't know. No. Hold on. Taking a breather. You run RE2 on any... Okay, hold on. You run RE2 or any RE... No, auto aim is on. Auto aim is on, Samuka. It's on. But it's not working. I mean, it doesn't work. I think it's like bugged. It doesn't always work. I don't know. It only works when it wants to. Not yet, maybe this weekend. Okay, so what do you mean by run RE2 or any other RE? RE2 is my favorite. I play other RE games. My favorite My favorite is this one, hands down. And then there's RE Remaster, which I love. RE0 I love. And tonight, I'm gonna be playing Outbreak online with a bunch of kids. They're not kids. As a speedrun. I don't really speedrun it. I always try to find original ways to play it, like new challenges. Like I said, with the vodka shots, or the chilies, or whatever. Maybe one day I'll play blindfolded. Maybe I will do blindfolded stream. Obviously with the face cam on and all that. We'll find the way. Alright. Let's go. Ah, look at that! Ah, not good. Feels like I'm getting the hang of it. This way, buddy. Ah, he got me. Okay, never mind. Let's keep doing this strat. No, 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 no! The auto-aim is not working. I don't know why. It's annoying. Hold on, hold on. I may need to heal. Taking another breather. Taking another breather. Looking at chat. Yeah, I called them kids. I was just kidding. I'm gonna be playing with Sakura probably, Mac Knight, hopefully Amy. Sure, I don't think so because his time zone is a bit iffy. Silent Hill. Silent Hill's not really my thing. I know it sounds weird, but it's not my thing. There's another survival horror game that I want to try, which Ashley recommended a while ago. I have it saved on Twitter. I forgot what it's called. What was it called, Ashley? What was that called? That stream? Oh, that stream. That game. It was a PS2 title. I looked them up. I'm gonna get that game as well that you showed me. And this week I discovered Obscure. I never heard of that game before, and Jackhammer told me about Obscure. It looks so good. It's like Resident Evil Outbreak, but in school. Alright, let's continue. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Damn it. Alright. You forgot? Yeah, but it's there. It's saved. The title is saved. I still have it saved. It's like, I don't know if it's like Japanese horror or something. I forgot what it was called. But it's there. Tried to edit the button. Remove the auto-aim and another one. What? Try to edit the button key. Remove the auto-aim to another one. Hey, Allah, welcome.
Resident Evil.
Oh, I wish I can do this. Not sure what you mean by that. Edit the button key. Remove the auto-aim to another one. I see you on Discord, Samaka. Okay, so... Not sure what you mean, like disable it and re-enable it, perhaps? We'll see. Cassidy's lurking. Hey, what if I get unlimited knife? What if I get unlimited knife? Maybe it makes a difference. What? You still didn't finish it yet by knife? No. I made it this far though. I'm very proud of myself still. I'm still very proud of myself. Made it this far. Again, On normal mode, okay? On normal mode. 70s viewer. See, 70 viewers! If you're enjoying the stream, and I wouldn't see any reason why you do enjoy the stream, because it's just me failing and doing the same thing over and over again. But if for some reason you are enjoying the stream, make sure you click like or subscribe. I love Resident Evil 2, and always try to find new ways to challenge myself with this game. And I also love modding Resident Evil titles, like for instance, I played Resident Evil 0 with Leon and Ada, for instance. I love modding, and I played Resident Evil 1,
Come on, snap out of it.
the remastered version, with the classic music, the awesome RE1 music, the 1997 music. Anyway, I'm rambling. Now it's the Rambo knife. Let's see, maybe I don't know, maybe it's good luck. Maybe it's good luck. I don't believe in good luck, to be honest with you. I believe in skill. Thank you, Veronica. Thank you for the message on Discord. I will check it out after this fight. More space here to run, so let's see. Come on, buddy, come on, this way. Ah! I missed. Come on. Oh man, I'm already on danger and I didn't accomplish anything. Ah! I didn't hit him. No, I'm not doing anything now. Ah! Oh, the auto aim is not working! I don't know. Look at that! Look at that! Danger. I have a great time. Hey Dan, I see you. Alright, I'm going to play Fatal Frame 2. I can't wait to get wrecked. You sure will. Oh man. I think it was Fatal Frame that that Ashley recommended. I think that's the game. Fatal Frame. I think that's it. That's what Ashley recommended. That was it. I think it is. Okay, I'm gonna watch the video. Give me a sec, guys. I'm gonna watch whatever. Hold on a second. Hold on, I don't see anything. Didn't you say you messaged me on Discord? Was it Discord? Hold on. I messaged you on Discord. Oh, there it is. Okay, I found it. And that is you doing it. Doing the knife thing, I mean. That sounded really bad, sorry. Alright, yeah, doing the knife thing. I'm gonna watch it real quick, bear with me. Oh, hang on. No, hang on a sec. Hold on a sec. Veronica. This is not the same boss fight. No. This is not the same boss fight, Veronica. I thought I was gonna learn something. I will watch it. I will watch it because it's very impressive. But this is not useful to me right now. ah, man. So I'm gonna watch what Mac Knight sent me yesterday. Actually, hold on. Where was it? There it is. I'm gonna watch it again. Do you guys want to see it? Do you guys want to see it? Yep. Maybe I can show you. I can show you the world. Add. Can we do this? Okay. Can we do this real quick? Hold on. Can we do this real quick? Can we watch this together? Maybe we can watch it together. Like pros. Come on! Sucker. Okay. Alright. Let's watch his strategy. It's not the same, Veronica. No, it's not the same. He only goes for one hit. One hit, and that's it. Run away. And he doesn't run far away. Sometimes he misses as well. His auto aim never misses though. He keeps missing. Ah, look at that. Okay, Raven. Thank you so much for hanging out. Take care, huh? I'm gonna reply to all the chat in a bit. I'm absorbing this video. I'm absorbing this video. That was impressive. That was so good. Alright. Guys, I didn't just watch that video. I didn't just watch that video. I inhaled it. I absorbed it. 40 hits. All right. So Veronica, what you did there, what you did was very impressive. Very impressive, but it's not the same boss fight. No, it's not. He has 4 arms and yours only had 2. That's one. This is the second scenario. What you did was the first scenario. What I would like to see from you, since you did the first scenario, I would love to see the crocodile, the alligator. That I would love to see. So yeah, anyway. Wow, that was impressive. Ashley is right. It's better to miss a knife swipe. It's better to miss a knife swipe than getting hit. So yeah. The bagpipes are ready. Oh man, it's pretty much more or less what I'm doing. And I did see. I think Raven's gone now, but I want to play Operation Raccoon City with you too, Raven. I will message you. We'll do it, definitely. So no, anyway, yeah, I would love to see how you did the alligator. Hey, hang on, let me see if I can say that right. Is that Undynaman? Undynaman! Hey, welcome to the stream. Alright, this is a stream of fail. So, be warned, Undynaman123. What's going on here is I'm playing Resident Evil 2 with knife only, and this is as far as I made it, and I'm trying to study a strategy. Turn on your GoPro mode and kill this... I want to get a GoPro soon. So yeah, even if I don't ever kill this boss, I don't care. The fact that I made it this far with a knife only is an achievement anyway. That guy was good. He only got hit once by William. Really? I don't remember seeing him using any healing, so wow, I absorbed that video. Let's see. Take all the herb. Did I miss an herb? Really? Really? I missed an herb? Really? Oh crap.
Come
Whatever.
on, snap out of it.
No, I got all of them. What you talk about? What you talk about? I got them. Undying Man. Alright. Hey Dan, thank you for subscribing. I'll try my best to keep you entertained with my awesome RE2 skills. I'm sorry, I don't call them all awesome. I don't mean it. One hit and dodge. Yes, exactly, Veronica. That's what he's doing. One hit and dodge, and sometimes a miss and a dodge. But I have to keep doing that. And thank you for subscribing, Undying Man. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Come get it, sucker. So I'm gonna go this way because you see, even the pro, he went this way. Let's do this. See, missed. You know what? I never saw his auto aim failing though, huh? My auto aim doesn't work, huh? Oh, danger already. Danger! Let me run. Oh, seriously? He got me as well? Come on. Okay. Let's run around for a little bit. Oh, man. Hold on, hold on. Oh, seriously? Okay. Getting angry now. Come on, I just saw the video. It's still fresh in my mind. You see, the auto aim is not working. It's not working. You see, that's not working. The freaking auto aim. Yeah, the brightness is really low, isn't it? I'll turn it up because... How are you, Juan? Nice to see you. Hey, Sam. Nice to see you. And Cheer? Dangerous Vloggy is dangerous. How are you, Cheer? Ah, man. Okay, but it's nice that I pause the game a little bit. I look at chat, so I unstressify myself. I don't want to get greedy with my hits. One is fine. Ah! Still good. No, danger. That's it. Rip. Rip. Whew. Okay. It's okay. Can you edit the key button? What do you mean? No, I can't do anything. It's just type A, B, or C. And C is the one that provides auto-aim. That's it. But I'm doing it. I am doing it. I feel like I got the strategy down. I just need to... It's okay. No biggie. No biggie. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. I'm very impressed with the video I saw, but I'm getting there. Hold on. Hold on a second. All right. Let's go again. You just need to remember to breathe. Yeah, and I know you're probably kidding, Cheer, or maybe you know me too well. It's one of those. Either you're kidding or you know me too well. But the thing is, I do panic. I do panic, and I do forget to breathe, probably. I do panic, and I shake, my heart pounds. And which herb was she talking about? Where did I miss an herb? There was no herb. Bye, Paolo03. Paolo03 went offline. I'm not missing anything, yes. No. I wish. Look, when you're desperate, you go through the item box hoping there's something. But no. No, I don't think I'm gonna improvise. No, I think what I'm doing is working. I think. Yeah, the auto aim is missing a lot. And the video that we just saw, I mean, the video that we just saw wasn't that bad, the auto aim. It kept aiming properly. It's fine. If it misses, it misses. It took 3 minutes something to defeat the boss. I'll take 8 probably. Let's go. Maybe it was a different platform. That's a good question. Let's check the video real quick, actually. Let me check it again. That was...
Ada!
It doesn't really say.
Ada!
Normal mode.
Can you hear me?
Hold on.
Come on, snap out of
I'm
it.
gonna check it real quick. Normal mode, no healing. He didn't say. Videos contain spoilers. GameCube. He's playing the GameCube version. I don't know why, but it feels like... I don't know. He's playing on the game. Is it the GameCube version? Hold on. Yes, it is. The graphics look so much better. Yes, it's definitely the GameCube. Anyway, hey, Chris Redfield, welcome. Welcome. No, I'm not. Well, PS3 kind of emulates it. I'm playing on the PS3, not really running an emulator, but I think the PS3 emulates it. Yes, there is Veronica, yes, and the game looks so much better. I usually play it on the GameCube. I don't know what I was thinking when I decided to do this run on the PS3. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh yeah, by the way, one complaint that that it's dark, and it is dark. Hold on, I'm gonna increase the brightness real quick. Bear with me. Properties. The screen's gonna go blank real quick, so don't worry about that. I'm not... Alright, hold on, I wanna see the quality though. Maybe like this. Looks better now. Okay, it's gonna flash the stream, don't worry about it. It's normal. It's normal. Give it a second, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. It looks so much better on the GameCube, Veronica. It looks so much better. You can skip the cutscenes. Does it look better now? Does it look better? Why does it... Okay, hold on. For some reason, it stretched out the image now. Stupid. Hold on. I don't know why it does this. I don't know why it does this, but... Whatever. I'm gonna fix it real quick. I'm gonna fix it pronto. Oh, look at this. I cannot resize it properly. Interesting. I'm gonna leave it like this then. Alright. It looks bigger. Yeah, it was bigger. I don't know why it stretched it and now it doesn't fit in the screen, but it's okay. That's the next best thing, I suppose. Alright. You should try it on the emulator, on the GameCube. It looks so much better. It looks even better on my TV. I adjusted the brightness. It's not just the stream. Even on my TV now it looks better. Come on, sucker. Come taste my knife. But I'm not going to improvise. I'm gonna stick with the strategy that I... Come on, buddy. There, first miss. Oh, wow, really? You got it? One. I'm gonna count them. 2. 3. 4. 5. Oops. 5. Not near enough. Oh, really? 6, 7, 8, 9. Ten, 11. Oh, really? Wow. Ah! 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Four, 25. Six. 7, 28, 29, 30, 31. No, I'm missing now. Okay, I don't know. I counted around 31, 30, 31. I counted around 30, 31. I'm getting there, guys. Did I... Was anybody else counting with me? Did I hit really 30, or was I just getting distracted? Was I there? I don't know. Okay. I feel like I'm getting better. Slowly, slowly.
Resident Evil.
28. That's still very good. No, whatever. 28, 30, whatever. That's really good. That's a very good number. That's a very good number. I don't care. 27, 28, whatever. That's a very good number. I'm proud of that number. Hey, Red. Nice to see you too. 27 is still a good number. It's more than halfway. Is it? Yes. I just need to keep it up. Giggity. Let's go. What are you talking about? Take all the herbs. I took all of them. The other ones are blue. They don't do anything. Red herb. Where are you seeing the red herb? I think. No. Does anybody see a red herb? Because I don't see it. Can you get a bigger knife like a pyramid head knife? Oh, you one. Oh, you. No, I don't know which red herb you're talking about. There's nothing. No such thing.
Snap out of it.
I'm gonna fix it real quick. Hold on. Okay, we're good. We're good. Let's go. That's a valve. This way. 1. Come on, somebody count for me. I feel like I've gotten so much better now. Ah, no. Wrong. Wrong side, my friend. Ah, wrong side again. Ah! Nope, missed. Ah, that's a good slam. Ah. Oopsie. I said 1, not 1. Good one. Good one. You are good one. Ah! See. Hey, Ivan! This way. Follow me this way. Sucker! Oh, crap. I'm in danger. If only I had one other healing item. There we go. Dead. Only 15? That's not a good number. That's not a good number. 20? Still not a good number. I can do better. I know I can.
Resident Evil.
I feel like if I had 2 more herbs, it wouldn't be this hard. $21 according. Okay, well, I mean, 21 feels like I'm halfway there. If only there's a red herb somewhere, but nope. And the blue herbs don't do anything. I'm gonna count them myself now. I'm gonna try counting them myself. Or maybe I'll stress myself out. Maybe I shouldn't. So yes, tonight I'll be playing Outbreak with Sakura for sure. I'm gonna be playing Outbreak with Sakura for. I think McKnight will join. I'm not so sure about Amy because
Snap out of it.
you know, sleep. So yeah, I'm gonna count them. I'm gonna count them myself, so I motivate as well. It's quite easy for Alligator, seriously, because Alligator has a one-hit kill. That's the problem with Alligator. He has a one-hit kill. And the hitbox is like his nose or something. I watched videos of that one. I only watched one actually. Only watched one video. I feel like if I defeat this boss, the game will be a piece of cake. The rest of the game. Ah! Oh. Seriously. Ah! No. Nope, this is not a good one. No. I haven't dodged a single attack. You know what? Let's try again. Come back here. Ah, come on. No, I haven't dodged a single attack. Oh. Oh man, he's like in the way. I can't move sometimes. Oh, this way. You know what? Come get it. Back to danger again. And bye, have a great time. Barry! 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 Look at this, Barry. Look at this insanity. I'm doing this. I'm finishing. I'm more than halfway through the game, I think. But I'm playing Resident Evil 2 with knife only. And this is as far as I got. Wow. Ah, you got a job? That's good. That's good. Oh, you rarely watch YouTube. Oh man. I don't believe you, Barry. No stream or didn't happen. Stream or didn't happen. Not no stream. Stream or didn't happen. Let's try again. Now that Barry's here, I feel very motivated. I think I'm gonna do this. I think I'm gonna do this. I think it's gonna happen now. I feel like it's gonna happen. Oh, come on. No, no, Barry. I want to see you play it on your own. Come on. I want you to figure it out. I want to see what you're like on your own. Come on. Come on. Hold hands or not? Come on. What do you guys think? Should I hold Barry's hand when he plays RE2, or should he try it blind on his own? What do you guys think? Come on.
Ada! Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
You promised vlogging. I did. But I don't have enough time now, Barry. I barely have enough time for my own YouTube channel, my own streams. I barely have enough time. I'm changing. I'm not gonna say anything actually. No, I take that back. I was gonna say something, but I'll say it next time because it's still something I haven't told anyone. Changing my diaper. Ow, Lily! Ow, Lily! Come on, sucker! Come get it! Come on! Come on! Hit me, baby, one more time! Stupid auto aim. Ah, that auto aim! I need to get closer to him. Come on. This is for Barry. Don't get greedy, buddy. Don't get greedy. One slice and run away. Ah, he got me. How are we doing? We're still good. You know what? Time out. Try again. Round 2. Come on. Nope. No! Ah, danger. Alright, take a breather. Take a breather. Take a breather. Alright. It's not the controller. It's not the controller, Veronica. It's the game. It's how it is. I don't know if there's a difference between the GameCube version and the. I will try it on the GameCube version next time. Is anybody counting? I'm not. not that attack, no! That attack is the one thing I need to avoid. Time out. No, come on! Come get it, sucker. Time out. Come this way. Oh, danger. Ah! No. This way, buddy. He's still got his hands open like that. No, no, no! Ah, I did so well. I did well. I feel like I did well. Wow, wow. So hard. Let's go one last try. One last try and I end the stream. I feel like I'm getting there, huh?
Resident Evil.
One last try. I'm gonna be watching my own stream and I'm gonna be counting how many times I hit him. Yeah, you said Dark Souls bosses, and yes, that is why I don't play Dark Souls. I don't have the time for that. I don't have the time and patience. But this is a game that I loved since I was a child. Since Vloggy was, I don't know, 14 probably, something like that, 13, 14. One last attempt. I don't think I'm gonna beat them anyway, but again, to sharpen my strategy. I think I've come a long way since yesterday. Yes, it's true. No, I don't have time for new games, Barry. That's it. I don't have time for new games.
Ada! Ada! Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it!
No, I'm proud of myself. I made it this far and I think I'm doing some good progress against this boss. No, I mean I don't have time for me to learn about new games. That's what I mean. I don't have time for new games in my life. Not new releases, I mean. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy! Nothing? Ah, I saw that one. Oh man, I couldn't turn around. This one's not good. This is not a good run. Oh god, no. This is not a good one. I'm not gonna give up though. I'm gonna still attempt. I hit him. I don't love you, auto aim. You don't love me, I don't love you. Oh, look, it doesn't auto aim. Oh, come on. Nope, nope. I will make you play Dark Souls at some point. Nah, it's not my thing. I'll rejoice over your suffering. Watch this if you want to see me suffer. No. I'm gonna give him a timeout. Timeout, Mr. Monster. My thumb hurts. He's gonna walk all the way here. Oh, I got stuck. I couldn't go around. Not good, not good. Oh, you fool. There we go, dead. It's okay. I want to count the number of hits I did in the previous attempt, not this one, the one before. So I'm going to watch my own stream. Right now, actually. I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching me fail. I wasn't planning on defeating this boss. It was more like practice. I was doing it as a practice. But I wanted to stream it just in case I did defeat the boss. Just in case. So that I would have proof. Alright, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for hanging out. Make sure you leave a like on your way out. And I will see you tonight, probably in like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 6, 7, in about 8 hours. I'm going to be playing Outbreak with Sakura for sure, probably McKnight, and hopefully Amy. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!